it's Nicole and welcome to my video. Whoa, that's my old intro. We're just gonna keep that. Today I'm bringing you a tutorial slash full face of first impressions. Actually, it's not a full face. I only got like 5 new products, but I'm sorry for clickbaiting you. I really loved how this look turned out and I'm so happy. Ooh, look at the highlight. Disclaimer, this is all for fun. I'm not wearing this out. Make sure to go follow my Instagram makeup account, which is Nicole Laeno Makeup. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Let's start filming. For like the past 2 days, my throat has like not been cooperating with me. I don't know why. The first thing I'm going to apply is the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Stick. This is also a primer, so you can just use this, but I will be using a different primer later. This is a really nice base and it hydrates your skin really nice as well. I'm just going to put this all over my face. I've actually used a pretty good amount of it and I'm like very excited because I love when I finish up products. I'm just going to rub it into my skin and make sure that my skin is nice. Okay, also I got my nails done today and I'm so happy. They turned out so nice. I'll just show you guys. I'm so happy. Now we're going to move on to the brows. I'm using the Rude Cosmetics Outrageous Eyebrow Pen and the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. The first thing I'm adding to my collection from Sephora, I got the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter and I'm so excited for this. Using this eyebrow pen, I'm just going to do my normal brow routine and I really love this product. Alright, so now that my brows are filled in, I'm going to use the 24-hour setter and set my brows. This is really cool because it's like a gel, but it has like 2 sides. So one side has small bristles and then the other has long bristles. And I just think it looks so cool. I think I'm going to use the long bristles to set my brows. Oh my god, it feels so cool. Ooh, yes, this is really nice. I like this product. Now I'm going to clean up my brows with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. One eyebrow is done. My brows are done and they feel like really set in place, which I really like. I really enjoy this product. It dries pretty quick, but it's really easy to work with and I like it. Moving on, I'm going to prime my eyes real quick with the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm also going to put some powder on top of my eyes so the concealer is set. Okay, moving on to eyeshadow. I'm so excited for this. I got the Anastasia Soft Glam palette and this is absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. So excited. All of the products are listed down below as well as the prices. So if you want to know the prices of these, just check the description box. But anyways, the material is just like the Modern Renaissance. So I think today I'm going to do like a full cut crease wing glam. It's not going to be soft glam, it's going to be full glam, but we're going to call it soft glam. First, with a Morphe E22 brush, I'm going in with Orange Soda. And I'm going to put this in my crease. The shadows are so nice. I'm pretty sure it's the same formula as the Modern Renaissance because it definitely feels like the same. There's sirens going on. Now taking the Morphe M412 brush, I'm going to apply Sienna and Rustic in my crease as well, but like below, what's this color called? Orange Soda. Taking my Tarte Shape Tip again, I know I use this concealer so much, I'm going to cut my crease. And cutting your crease That sounds so weird. Cutting your crease is kind of difficult, but honestly, with a lot of practice, I've definitely seen improvement with myself. But I still need practice too, so yeah, now I'm gonna do it. As you can see, I kind of like winged it out, if that makes sense. This is how it looks so far. Now we're going to take care of the lid. So I'm going to take all the colors are so pretty. Okay, I think I'm going to take Rose Pink, Sultry, and Mulberry and kind of like do an ombre effect. So first I'm going to put Rose Pink on my inner lid, Sultry on like the middle of my lid, and then Mulberry on the outer part of my lid. And I'm going to use this Morphe brush. And these brushes were from the Morphe vegan set. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. So with Mulberry, don't worry, I know I look crazy right now, but I'm gonna blend it. But with Mulberry, I'm kind of gonna make a wing and then connect it from there. So we can get that full cut crease effect. Now we're going to blend, and I'm using the brush that comes in the Soft Glam palette. I'm gonna use this side. Go like this real quick. And boom. Eyeshadow is done. So as you can see, this doesn't look as clean as I want it to be. So here's my secret tip. Baby wipe. Or not a baby wipe, makeup wipe. But I'm just gonna take like my finger like this. Go like that. A couple times. And then just have it cut you. No, I'm just kidding. Go into the shape that you want and you think that is like sharp and stuff. And bam! This isn't new, but I'm using the Kat Von D tattoo liner. My favorite liner. I was about to say this from Kat Von D. Obviously, I just said that. It's in Trooper Black. And yeah, I'm gonna wing it out so I can match this. Like always, we're going to come back to the eyes and like do mascara and all that later. But now we're going to prime again and use the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. Oh my gosh, I'm just thinking of Christian saying, looks like my nasal spray. If you haven't seen Christian do my makeup, click up there. This is a really nice primer and it's so pretty. This was a part of my last Sephora haul and I never like told you guys my opinion on it. But I really like it. But honestly, I'm sorry. I don't think it should be $54 because it is $54 or around that. If I'm wrong, it's around 50 something. But yeah, boom, 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 and then rub it in. I always put more on this side for some reason. I don't know why. It makes your foundation so much more like dewy and radiant and I really like it. If you like your face makeup to be more matte, I don't know if you would like this under your face makeup because it does give that effect. Now that we are dewy, we're gonna go to foundation. See, dancers always break out into music, I don't know why. The next new thing I got is the Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Foundation Stick. I've wanted this for so long. I asked the Sephora lady to help me with my shade, and I'm pretty sure this is my shade, so please don't attack me if this isn't. But I asked the Sephora lady, so if it's not, I'm gonna blame it on her. Just kidding, I won't. I'll blame it on myself. I just like love the appearance of this. The shape of it is just so nice. It looks like this, so I'm just gonna put this on my face. Oh yes, honey. I don't know how much I need, but we're gonna see. Okay. This doesn't look like my shade. We're just gonna deal with it. It looks a little yellow, but let's blend it out and see. But I'm using my Clean Beauty Blender. So it's blending very nicely. I'm gonna apply more to see how buildable the coverage is. I think that because of the dewy drops that the foundation isn't blending as full coverage as it should be. See, like, look how dewy I am. The color's not that bad. Every foundation for my forehead is bad. I don't know why, but my forehead is so much more tan than like my whole body. It's just my forehead though. It's so weird. I don't know why. Ah! Why am I dropping things today? So far, I really like this foundation. It's super easy to blend and looks like it's very buildable. Oh my god. What do I look like? I look like a squash. The next new thing I got is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. I really wanted to try this because of the wand in particular. So here's what it looks like. And the wand is like, I don't know if it's still called a doe foot, but like it's like flatter and thinner kind of. Most of my concealers have like the thick kind, but this one is different and I wanted to try it. I got the shade Light. Oh, and if you're wondering, for the Hourglass foundation, I got the shade Golden Natural. I'm gonna put this under my eyes. Wow, that blended so fast. I know that this line is like the weightless, right? Yeah, so this line is like the weightless one, so it's not as full coverage as their other line. I forgot what it's called, but they have a different one and that's more full coverage, but I really, really like this. First of all, it's easy to blend, and second of all, it gives you coverage, but just not a lot, so I would recommend this as an everyday concealer. But I'm gonna just put some more on just to see like how this can cover your face, I guess. I'm not making any sense, but I'm gonna put this more. I'm gonna put this more. I'm gonna put more of this on. I really like the brush. The brush is like different, so I like it like that. I like it like that. That song's fun. It blended so fast. With Tarte Shape Tape, I love because it's full coverage, of course, but it's kind of harder to blend, in my opinion. It's almost like paint. Not paint, but like, it's like thick, you know? Thick. I only have one more product that's new, but that's gonna be later. I'm going to set my face with the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Press Powder with a Morphe GO brush. Now for the last product that I got from Sephora. Oh my gosh, guys, this is... I got the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze Coconut Perfect Tan Bronzer. This is in Tan-Tastic. Look how big it is. Dude, it's like more than half of my face. Okay, but anyways, to open it, you press this button. Look how bougie this is. Bougie. Press it, and then it opens. Oh my god, look at this. Look at how big it is. And it smells like coconuts. This does remind me of the Physicians Formula one, but like the scents are different. Like they're both coconut, but they're different. I feel like the butter bronzer is more tropical-y, while this one is just more like settle, you know? Or maybe you don't, I don't know. I've heard so many good things about this. I don't know why I was going like this. Using the Morphe E4 brush, I'm gonna take some, oh my gosh, I'm not even messing up the lines. I love this mirror. Okay, and I'm just going to, ooh, I am living. It's pretty subtle, but like nice, you know? So I'm just gonna finish off like my whole face because I want this to be a full tutorial. For blush, I'm using the MAC Powder Blush in Peaches, and I'm using the G8 from Morphe. Oh my gosh, that came out really pigmented. Now we're bringing the glow back with the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I use this every time I do my makeup. It's just like a staple and it's just beautiful. I'm using the R30 something because the thing rubbed off and I have no idea. Boom, shaka, laka. Okay, I'm also gonna put my nose, Cupid's bow, and then on top of my eyebrows. Now we're going to finally finish the eyes. Going back with the Soft Glam palette. I'm just gonna take the brush that it comes with, and I'm taking Orange Soda, Sienna, and Rustic, and I'm gonna put that under my eyes. Mascara, I'm using my favorite L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. L'Oreal has like the best mascaras. My favorite before this one was the Lash Paradise, and now I love this one. It's so good for length. And I'm also going to do my bottom lashes. And guys, I learned a trick. I have a tip so you don't have to go like this. Turn your arm like that. I know it's kind of obvious, but I learned that, so I thought you guys should know. And it will be easier for you not to get mascara on your nose. All we have to do is lips and setting spray, and that's it. For lips today, I'm using the Morphe Coffee and Kissy lip liner and the liquid lip Brunch. Now I'm going to set my face with the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist. Now I'm going to pass you guys out to the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I'm sorry for clickbaiting you. I know this is not a full face of first impressions, but I got new products and I wanted to make a video about them, so I didn't know what to call it. I had a lot of fun filming this look and I really like how it turned out. I was honestly winging it and didn't know what I was doing. Make sure to comment down below some other videos you guys would like to see. I will see you guys next time. I love you guys so much. Bye!